So, this is group number 4, and we are reporting about what we did last week in your time.
What we did during your time, sir, was that we measured and inspected the Cessna, and on the checklist that we held is to mark checks if there was any damages or issues with the Cessna's parts. We also took pictures for documentation of the procedure we performed that day.
According with our inspection of the Beechcraft-Barron aircraft, is the external structure of the aircraft and visible corrosion which may impact instruction integrity over time. And we also inspection of the air pressure in the tires, and we also shake the oil and it appear fresh because if it's yellowish greenish, the solution of the corroded area should be repainted and the tire should be adjusted to a proper leveling air pressure.
During the activity, sir, we carefully measured and inspected the Cessna, marking the checklist to indicate any damages or issues found with the aircraft's parts. Each component was examined to ensure the highest standard of safety and functionality. We record our findings and maintain clear documentation. We took detailed photographs that captured every steps of the procedures. These images not only serves as a visual record but also provide visual insight in the condition of the aircraft.
First, we make sure that we have our equipments. Number one is the personal protective equipment. Number two is the aircraft itself. And the number three is our manual handbook. And after that, we proceeded by weighing the aircraft. So we can get the net weight of it, the gross weight and such, with chocks and without chocks. And after that, when we have the result, we computed it so we can get the center of gravity. So before we can get the center of gravity, we measure also the arm of the aircraft, the net weight, the gross weight, and the total moment of it.
Students must follow procedure for weighing and balancing aircraft, adhering to operational manuals and safety regulations. They need a pilot's handbook, a tire gauge indicator and leveling tool, and personal protective equipment. The process begins with an initial inspection for the aircraft, followed by a fluid level check, landing gear positioning, and pre-weighing documentation. A mock pre-weighing checklist is complete, including environmental condition, aircraft configuration, and equipment. The activity is documented in a Word document, including a front page introduction, stated problems, findings, solutions, individual conclusions, and picture as evidence. This ensure compliance with safety regulations and ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.